Hi guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to fix the missing profile view icon on TikTok. So let's go to TikTok, and this icon, it's over here. This is a trend on TikTok now, and you should see the icon on the top right here next to the three lines. And if you click on it, you can see you can turn it on, you can turn it off. And as you can see, one person viewed my profile and other people can see that you viewed their profile in the last 30 days. So you can turn, if you have turned this on, you can turn it off at any time. I don't have it turned on right now. So if the icon isn't there, the reason for that is because probably it is a profile account, a public account, sorry, or you have too many people following you. So if you are a very popular creator with thousands of followers, maybe millions, TikTok won't give you this icon because they just can't keep up with it. And if you have a private account, you will sooner get this profile icon. As you can see, on this account I have no followers. And on my other account, I have like 5,000 followers and I still have this profile icon. So it's only when you get really popular. And maybe in the next few months, this will happen for popular creators as well. But for right now, it isn't. So I hope this helps. And if you have any questions, please contact me. Thank you.